If you are involved in a vehicle collision, what must you do immediately? A. Call 911 and leave the scene. B. Stop and assess the situation. C. If the situation is minor, continue driving and report it later. Answer B. Stop and assess the situation. What could happen if you drive to the scene of a fire, collision, or other disaster? A. You could be arrested. B. You might receive a ticket. C. Nothing, if you travel at 15 miles per hour or less with emergency flashers on. Answer B. You can be arrested. Which of the following is true about animal-drawn vehicles? A. They are not allowed on the road. B. They are restricted from traveling on roads where the speed limit is 35 miles per hour or higher. C. They have the right to share the road with motor vehicles. Answer C. They have the right to share the road with motor vehicles. When bicyclists may legally ride on certain sections of freeways when it's not forbidden by law would be A. Where there is no alternate route. B. Only on one-way streets. C. Under no circumstances. Answer A. Where there is no alternate route. What should you do if a vehicle merges in front of you too closely? A. Honk your horn and use engine braking. B. Take your foot off the accelerator. C. Follow the 4-second rule. Answer B. Take your foot off the accelerator. Fines are also doubled in highway construction or maintenance zones. A. When workers are present. B. Always, regardless of workers. C. Fines for traffic violations in a work zone can be $1,000 or more, but not doubled. Answer A. When workers are present. According to the Move Over and Slow Down law, drivers must move over and slow down for A. Emergency vehicles. B. Roadwork vehicles. C. Any vehicles displaying emergency flashing or amber warning lights. Answer C. Any vehicles displaying emergency flashing or amber warning lights. The speed limit is 25 miles per hour within 500 feet of a school zone. A. When children are outside or crossing the street. B. During school hours only. C. Always, regardless of time and presence of children. Answer A. When children are outside or crossing the street. You want to turn left at an upcoming corner. Give the right of way to A. Upcoming vehicles also turning left. B. All approaching vehicles. C. Pedestrians on the sidewalk waiting for a walk signal. Answer B. All approaching vehicles. If a school bus with flashing red lights is on the other side of a divided or multi-lane highway, do you need to stop? A. Yes, always. B. No, you do not need to stop. C. Only if there are children visible. Answer B. No, you do not need to stop. It is legal to drive with an alcoholic beverage container that has been opened if the container is A. Under no circumstances. B. In the glove compartment. C. In the trunk. Answer C. In the trunk. Smoking inside a vehicle with a person under 18 years of age is A. Allowed if it's your child. B. Prohibited at all times. C. Not governed by law. Answer B. Prohibited at all times. If you dump or abandon animals on a highway, what could be the maximum penalty? A. It is not an offense by law. B. It is a recommendation for practicing good citizenship. C. A fine of up to $1,000, 6 months in jail, or both. Answer C. A fine of up to $1,000, 6 months in jail, or both. Which of the following roadways freezes first when wet? A. Bridges and overpasses. B. Intersections. C. Tunnels. Answer A. Bridges and overpasses. Your driving lane is next to a bicycle lane. You want to make a right turn at the upcoming intersection. You A. May not enter the bicycle lane to make your turn. B. Should only merge into the bicycle lane if you stop before turning. C. Must merge into the bicycle lane before making your turn. Answer C. Must merge into the bicycle lane before making your turn. If there are two solid yellow lines dividing opposite lanes to traffic, you may A. Cross over the lines to make a left turn from or into a private road or driveway. B. Cross over the lines to pass another vehicle unless there is a no passing sign posted. C. Cross over these lines to make a U-turn when oncoming traffic is 100 feet or closer. Answer A. Cross over the lines to make a left turn from or into a private road or driveway. You were parked and have been waiting a long time with your turn signal on to re-enter traffic. However, traffic is heavy. You should A. Continue waiting and yielding to traffic in the lane. B. Slowly inch your vehicle into the traffic lane. C. Drive on the shoulder until a gap in traffic appears. Answer A. Continue waiting and yielding to traffic in the lane. The driver ahead of you stops at a crosswalk. What should you do? A. Cautiously pass the vehicle at 10 miles per hour or less. B. Stop, then proceed when all pedestrians have crossed. C. Change lanes, look carefully, and pass the stopped vehicle. Answer B. Stop, then proceed when all pedestrians have crossed. If you drive 55 miles per hour in a 55 miles per hour zone, you can be given a speeding ticket. A. Under no circumstances, because it is always legal. B. If road or weather conditions require a slower speed. C. Only if you are approaching a sharp curve in the road. Answer B. If road or weather conditions require a slower speed. You want to park downhill on a two-way road and there is no curb. Which way do you turn your front wheels? A. So they face straight ahead. B. Right, towards the side of the road. C. Left, towards the center of the road. Answer B. Right, towards the side of the road. You see a pedestrian with a white cane at the corner ready to cross the street. The person takes a step back and pulls in his cane. You should A. Stop and then proceed through the intersection because the person is not ready to cross. B. Stop your vehicle a minimum of 6 feet from the crosswalk and wait for the person to cross the street. C. Honk your horn to let the person know when to cross the street. Answer A. Stop and then proceed through the intersection because the person is not ready to cross. There are 5 vehicles following closely behind you on a road with 1 lane in your direction. When you see this white sign, you should A. Drive to the right edge of your lane, but keep moving. B. Slow down and signal the other drivers to pass you. C. Drive to the side of the road into the designated area. Answer C. Drive to the side of the road into the designated area. Which of these is a safe driving practice? A. Using your high beam lights in the fog. B. Staring at the road ahead of your vehicle. C. Checking your rearview mirrors frequently. Answer C. Checking your rearview mirrors frequently. When you see this yellow sign, you A. Are approaching a railroad crossing, prepare to stop. B. Always stop at the upcoming railroad crossing. C. Stop and wait for a signal before crossing the railroad tracks. Answer A. Are approaching a railroad crossing, prepare to stop. When you see this red and white sign, you should stop and A. Check for vehicles in the direction you plan on going, then proceed. B. Let all vehicles that arrive before or after you go first. C. Check traffic in all directions before proceeding. Answer: C. Check traffic in all directions before proceeding. Which child requires a child passenger restraint system? A. A 6-year-old who is 4 feet 10 inches tall. B. A 7-year-old who is 4 feet 7 inches tall. C. An 8-year-old who is 4 feet 9 inches tall. Answer: B. A 7-year-old who is 4 feet 7 inches tall. Check your blind spots before you. A. Open your car door. B. Change lanes or merge onto a highway. C. Pull out from a parking space. Answer: A. Open your car door. What are the areas around a large vehicle or truck where your car might disappear from the truck driver's view called? A. Shadow areas. B. Invisible zones. C. No zones. Answer: C. No zones. How much distance does an average passenger vehicle traveling at 55 miles per hour need to come to a complete stop? A. It depends on the vehicles. B. Approximate, 300 feet. C. Not possible to calculate. Answer: B. Approximate, 300 feet. If you want to pass a bicyclist in a narrow traffic lane when an oncoming vehicle is approaching: A. Honk your horn, then pass the bicyclist. B. Slow down and let the vehicle pass, then pass the bicyclist. C. Wait until the bicyclist rides off the roadway. Answer: B. Slow down and let the vehicle pass, then pass the bicyclist.